Hi, my name is Ansley Clarke, and I'm an international educator for Sunlight's Balayage. And today, for Tips and Tricks Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to paint the perfect part line. So here we are at the final section on the part line. We have a lot of questions on how to paint this, so I wanted to show you really quickly. I go in and I paint my brochet pieces with my Sunlight's Balayage lightener, picking up big V's so that I have enough meat underneath to save me from any bruising. So taking my V sections and moving forward towards the front of the head, I always like to paint the money piece last on each section so that I can see how far to come up with the remainder of the section. So after I paint my money piece here, I'm going to rotate to the other side and paint it as if it were sisters, not twins. We love a brick lay pattern because the grow out process is a lot nicer for the client and the line of demarcation isn't as harsh. So again, painting brochet pieces, moving all the way up the section, again making it sisters, not twins, for that soft, subtle look. So moving on to the last piece here at the money piece, painting that regrowth, so when that hairline falls, everything looks beautiful and childlike, to have that beautiful balayage glow. Thank you for tuning in today for Tips and Tricks Tuesdays, and make sure to tune in to our YouTube channel at Sunlight's Balayage, where you can see all of our amazing work.